All right, hey guys, today's a little different video. I've got my son here. The prompt is mechanical plant. And so let's get into it.
The freaking Demogorgon.
We need you to rate our art. What is it? Who's the winner? Or a rating out of 10? Oh, really more signers.
I like Ron's depth. The plant kind of looks like a starfish.
Both have really good qualities. However, the one that stands out to me right away is Ronin's. Because of the use of color, that's a little different. Ronin's is, and it's a little bit more original and interesting.
I like Ron's a lot, but like yours just looks so. It just looks so
Polished.
Yeah,
Very polished and detailed.
very bright.
Yeah.
Overlapping.
I like the use of color.
What plant do you think of when you see that?
I would say that yours is better.
It's like a mini palm tree.
Palm tree. What about Ronin's? What do you think?
His is a mini starfish tree without the fruit on it yet.
Looks like Patrick.
Yeah. All right. What's your rating out of 10 for both?
For Ronins, I would say an 8 out of 10, and for yours, a 9 out of 10.
Oh.
Okay, for yours, I would say a 9 out of 10. For Ronin's, I would say a 9.5 out of 10.
There you have it. Vote in the comments. Who do you think did better? And let us know if you want to see more.